Hello, it's Harry Bartle of Chris Barker's Limited. I'm the ECA Edmondson Apprentice of the Year for 2016-2017. I'm very fortunate to be an ambassador for the ECA for apprentices, and this has meant developing the apprentices within Chris Barker's Limited, and also to go into schools and colleges to promote apprenticeships and underline the positive impacts that it's given me and the opportunities it's given me, especially this year, which has included visiting Grenoble with Schneider Electric and seeing their research and development centre, which I took particular interest in their energy management and sustainable energy systems, which I've gone back to the UK with Schneider Electric to Telford and to Swindon, and seen the development and how it's going to be implemented into the industry and how soon we will see it. I can relate to this and I can see it being something that every contractor will install, and it's very user friendly and something that's going to be very exciting and benefit the industry. I've attached several photos of my time in Grenoble and also the opportunities that I had when I came back to the UK. Also, my last 12 months at work for Chris Barker's Limited has included project management experience in a number 2 role at the University of Cumbria, which was a teaching block for Vinci Construction, which is a £6.5 million job, which has included office space, teaching facilities, and also a lecture theatre. The lighting system that they use is KNX, which again something that Schneider work with and use alongside their smart panel system. So something that I can see being adapted with the smart panel system and integrated with. Again, very exciting for me to see this and be able to relate so much of my work to the future of the industry. Also, I've had the opportunity to work on a tendering project for a private hospital, which I'm familiar with, which is similar to the job that I did in Ashford in Kent. This one is in Hatfield in London, and I've had experience for tendering for this job, and also working with variations through several revisions, whether it be in the installed containment or the electrical lighting and switchgear that's had alterations to throughout the revisions that have been made. And also, due to my testing experience, I've been able to go through various jobs for EICRs and to gain a knowledge and have an experience of working through the office side of the testing. Over the last 12 months, I've been a student member of the IET, which has been great, as I've had several resources which relate to the industry to further my knowledge, and also has helped with the understanding of the H&C. I've attached several photos of work that I'm currently on with. Also this year I've been studying my H&C in Electrical and Electronic Engineering at Blackpool and Fylde College. This has been a great opportunity to further my education, something I've really enjoyed, and I've taken a lot of time and pride in doing very well in all modules that I've covered. Over the 6 modules, I've achieved 6 distinction grades, and hope to carry that on for the final 2 modules starting September. Also, this has been great for my future prospects, as I have spoke to local colleges and to the JIB Skills Development Fund about the opportunity to work with beginners courses with Revit, AutoCAD and BIM, which I'm very excited to begin. alongside my H&C. In the coming months, I hope to take part in several short courses to benefit myself and my company. This will include the CNCI Network Infrastructure and Cable Management System, and also due to the introduction of BSEN 16763 fire detection alarm systems, something that is very applicable in contracts I'm involved with. I'd like to do their short courses. Future prospects after December with my H&C, I'd like to further my education to degree level, due again to my interest in electrical engineering and electronic engineering, and also build up project management experience in the meantime. Further look into DC systems, which has also included the HVDC systems that ABB are currently installing for a transmission. Again, something I can relate to my H&C in electronic engineering with the electrical power, and it's something that I'd love to further my knowledge into alongside other sustainable projects that are happening around the UK. I'm also at the moment training for a half marathon for two local charities. That includes the St John's Hospice Cancer Care Charity and the Autistic Society, two charities that are very close to myself, and I hope to raise over £500 for the charities, and I'm looking forward to beating my personal best at half marathon time from last year. This will be at the Manchester Half Marathon in October. I'd like to thank the ECA for the last 9 months, all the resources and support they've given me, and thankless help along the way to benefit my career has projected me and brought me from strength to strength. It's furthered my interest and my understanding, and something I'm very excited to carry on with in the future, as well as being the ambassador for apprentices, as it's something I'm very passionate about, as it's brought me the success it has. Also, I'd like to mention that the opportunity to meet Sir John Parker for business mentoring and a US business trip is something that is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and something that I'd love to be involved with, and I really think that it'd benefit my career at a great time. And thank you for the opportunity for entering this award. Thanks.
Now you have to follow this pattern from the top to the bottom. Yeah.